Higgsfield has just introduced a powerful new feature called SOL 2.0. In this video, I'll walk you through what it is and how it works. Higgsfield SOL 2.0 is a feature designed specifically for fashion, lifestyle visuals, and creative industries, allowing you to create high-quality, realistic images from simple text descriptions in just seconds. I'll show you how to create your own character and use that character to generate stunning images, keep your brand style consistent, and establish a consistent visual style across all generations, giving you control over your overall creative direction. My name is Charles. Let's go. Once you're in Higgsfield, you're going to come over here that says image and click Higgsfield SOL 2.0. I'll leave the link to Higgsfield in the description of this video. Once we're inside SOL 2.0, we are going to enter our text here and start generating. But before we start generating, here's one thing that we must do. The first thing to do is to generate our character. So we are going to come down here. Here it says character. We are going to click on this plus here, and then we're going to click create character and then upload from device. So here you have to upload at least 5 images to train this AI on how you look, so that whatever character you create, you'll be able to use that character moving on. So what we are going to do is upload images here, or just select from the ones you've probably generated initially. So I'm going to click here, agree. So here you can see I've uploaded different images of myself, close-up shots, long shots, full body shots, the back, face, side, and all that. You can see these are close shots while these are long shots. So down here you can see that the maximum image you can upload is 80, and it's telling us that the quality is quite good. I've uploaded 34 images and altogether they look very good. So I'm going to click generate character here to create that character that we can start using. And boom, we have our character created. Now, the reason why I love this feature is because I can now generate anything without worrying about consistency. Let's say this is my model for my brand. I could just use this character and style for any outfit, do any sort of creation, any art creative, and this character would remain consistent because we have trained the AI on how that character looks like. So the next thing we are going to do is to ensure that we have the right aspect ratio set, the quality, and then enter the prompt for the image we want to generate. So I want to try this out with a viral style image. So I'm going to enter this prompt that says he's sitting calmly inside a large zoo, lion enclosure. And then down here, I'm going to add a short description of myself. So I've noticed that when using SOL 2.0, adding the character description helps you get a better result. So that's why I've added it here with this prompt. So once we have this, I'll just ensure that we have the necessary thing selected, which is the character, and click generate. And we have these images right here. So you can see this image here. It looks like me. You can see me inside the zoo. So I can use this to start a video to get that visual hook. This looks good here, and this looks like me, and this looks, well, this is very good. So I can try this again with another style. If you're here and you have not still subscribed to this channel, you're missing out. So subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment. So let's say you have an image that I want to copy the style, or you want to reference. You can just come here, click on this plus sign, upload the reference image, and then generate. So when you're using SOL 2 and you upload the reference image, you're not able to enter a prompt. So it's just going to generate an image that looks like the image you have uploaded. So I'm going to send this, and boom, we have this image here. Now you can see the images it generated. This looks like me, looks like I'm chilling on a rail track. Now this is a good shot that you can turn into a viral visual hook for your videos, just like I did in this video. Now there are other interesting ways to use SOL 2. If you come down here where it says general and click on it, it will take you to the mood board area. So with SOL 2, you can build your own mood board. You can just click build your mood board and upload images that would guide our generation. So let's say you're a clothing brand and you want to have a consistent look for your models or for your clothing. What you want to do is to click build your mood board and then upload images into this mood board. So you're going to upload images of that style that you want to keep. So down here you can see different mood boards that have been created. You can see this is a general one, this is a warm mood board, this is Y2K studio mood board, this is a retro mood board, this is street photography mood board. So let's try street photography, and then I enter this prompt here, a man standing beside a pawn shop. I still have this description down here, And boom, we have these images here. Now look at these images. This looks like real images. If I open this one here, you can see this looks like a real street photography. It looks like it was taken on a street. This gives it that vibe that was taken with a mobile phone and a digital camera that is not kind of very sharp. This street photography mood board gives you super realistic street style everyday photo. So you can also switch the mood board and change it to something else. I can decide to click here and switch it to theatrical light and then hit generate, and we have this right here. You can see this mood. So this gives that consistent feel and vibe for your images. Now you can see this looks like a professional shoot. This looks good, and you know, it gives that professional theatrical vibe. Yes, you can see this is beautiful. And you can see this image over here. For this one, I selected retro and it gave me the retro style image. Now you can create different types of mood board. It could be blurred, it could be provision, it could be any type. You just have to upload more than 5 images that look that way. Probably 20-30 is a good spot to upload those images, and you'd have your generated images looking like that. So here I use the retro black and white. This feels like old school type photo, and I really like the vibe of this image. Now this gives you full control of your creative direction to do whatever you want to do. Here I use the fruity arrow style, which came out well, and here I use the double exposure mood board. Now I can click here and change to general, and then over here you can see other images I generated with the general template and my character. You can see this looks like me, and this studio shot looks very good. I really like this image here. This looks good. This image here also looks good. Now here's another interesting thing that you can do when creating images with soul character. So if you notice in this prompt bar at the bottom, you're going to see color transfer. So let's say you see an image online and you just want to transfer the color in that image to the image you want to generate. You can transfer one or probably all the colors from that image. So what you want to do is to come here, click color transfer, and then you're going to upload the image that you want to take or pick the color from. You can see here I've uploaded one image and it has picked out the colors in this image. You can see the colors here. So once you're done, just click on save. So you can upload different images and pick out colors from them. So next I'm going to select this one here, pastel summer, and then enter this prompt here and click generate. And boom, we have these images here. So you can see in all these images, the color palette was used. And here you can see the pink clouds, the blue clouds, pastel color, and all that. This looks very good. And I look like a model in this picture here. So you can see other images I generated here. I actually love this image. This image is gorgeous, right? I love the color combination here, and you can see this image here that I also created, and you can see the different color combinations. Everything was done right here in Higgsfield. So you can use Soul 2.0 to create various type of creatives for your campaign, whether you want to use it for your business or for personal or social use. So let's say you're finished generating the images. With Higgsfield, you can just quickly turn your images to video by clicking on animate. So I can just click on animate here, and it's going to take me to the video area where I can just enter a prompt and select a model, click generate. You can see the ones that I generated here. Let's watch this. Interesting. This looks good. So if you come to the pricing page, you can see that they have plans from $9 per month up until $199 per month. So if you're a creator, you want to go with this creator plan here, because this plan usually comes with unlimited generations. So if you're a brand or a business and you want to use Higgsfield, you can just use their business plan and sign up. I'm going to leave the link to Higgsfield in the description of this video. Sign up and start creating. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe. I have a lot of videos here that will help you. So subscribe, like, and share this video. I'll see you in this video. I created it because I know it will help you.